UKOfix has partnered with Credit Direct to provide our customer with a convenient buy now pay later payment option. This allows you to purchase your desired gadget today and spread your payment over 1 to 6 flexible monthly installments. Let me walk you through the 4 easy process to apply for the buy now pay later option at the UKOfix website. Yes, after logging into the UKOfix website, www.ukofix.com. So this is the home page. So all you need to do is to scroll down to where we have all the categories. So you can see we are in the category section here. If you want to shop by brand, you click on this place. So you can click on the brand you want to shop by. So it's going to show you all the products we have on that brand. Then if you want to shop by category, we have the brand new and UK use smartphones. We have the brand new and UK use laptop. We have the gaming section. We have the audio. We have the tablets. We have the wearable. All these categories can shop using the buy now pay later option for all items on our website. So if you want to view all the categories we have here, you click on this view all categories button. So it's going to show you all the categories we have on the website. So you can click on the one that you want to view. So everything is well arranged and labeled properly. So let's say, for example, now I want to shop for a laptop. I'll click on this laptop. It's going to load up and open the laptop page. So now we are in the laptop page now. So let's say I want to shop for this particular laptop you are seeing here. I'll just click on it. So it's gonna load up. After loading up, I will scroll down to where we see add to cart. I'll add it to cart. Then I'll click on checkout. So now we are in the checkout page. I'll fill up my mail. I'll fill up my name, my last name, my address. You fill up your proper information here. City, Keja, then your phone number. So after putting your phone number, then this is the payment option. So we have 3 payment option. First one is paying by bank transfer. Second one is paying with your card by Paystack, and then the third option is buy now pay later option. So pay small with Credit Direct. So immediately you click on this option, it takes you straight to Credit Direct platform, and this is where you are going to be doing your application, because we partnered with Credit Direct. So they are the one handling the application process. So once you click on this, automatically it takes you to their platform. So you just need to scroll down and then you click on place order. So you allow it to load up, load up. Sometimes network can make it to delay in loading up. So you just refresh your browser and try again. So if you are a new customer, this is the first interface, new customer. Then the second one is returning customer. If you have used the buy now pay later option before, you just need to click on returning customer. Then you put your phone number here as the rest. So you are a new customer, you click on the new customer. So you have 3 options. So you can verify through your bank, you can verify with BVN, then if you are a federal government worker, this option is for you, the third option. So we're just going to use the verify through bank first to demonstrate. So you click on this and then you scroll down and click on next. Then you click on linked account. So this is what Credit Direct will be able to access, so they can determine if you are eligible for this offer, if your credit score is okay. So the first option, CDL will be able to view your account transaction, will be able to view your account balance, will be able to view your identity information. So these are the three things that is required for them to be able to view if you are going to be eligible for this offer. Then the second option here is CDL Digital will not be able to make payments without your permission. They cannot make payments without your permission. Then the second option is CDL will not be able to view your account username or password. They can't. Then the third option is CDL will not be able to edit your account details. So once you go through this and you accept the terms, then you click on this to check button and you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you can search for your bank name here, or you can just scroll down. So if your bank is not included here, then that means you have to use the second option, which is BVN option. So the BVN option, you just click on the BVN option, you click on next, and then you put your account number there, and then you select the bank. So if your bank is not listed on the first option, then you'll be able to see your bank among these options here on the BVN method. So you can try any of the two methods if you are applying. If you need any further assistance, you can just message us, our support team, on WhatsApp, and we are 24/7 active and ready to assist you in making sure that you have a seamless application process. And before you apply for any item, make sure you message our support team so we can confirm the availability of the product you are going for. And we are always active to make sure that your application process is seamless. So you just need to just screenshot whatever problem you are facing, and then we'll be able to attend to you properly. And make sure you carry us along through your application process, so there will be no mistakes if you don't know what you are doing. But if you have done it before, or you can follow the process, then you are good to go.